Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to go over a few things that you could start doing to improve your business by getting more customers via your website. This is just a little deep dive, not very deep, on SEO audit, so just bear with me. We'll just go over a few things. So starting off, I really like your website's design. However, this is going to be strictly based on the search engine optimization aspect. So first thing we look at is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on this homepage. So using a tool called SEO Quick, which you can get for free, it's a plugin on Google Chrome, we can see that you have 562 total words. So you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words of content on that homepage. Reason being is Google's algorithms scrub and look for that. It's kind of like a minimum threshold. Now, of course, you can make it to the front page of Google without that much content, but it just really helps because you're hitting one of those markers that they are looking for. But it has a twofold reason, and that's my second reason, and that's going to be keywords. So what a keyword is it's anything that's typed into this Google search bar. So for example, I did Lehigh County roofer, and that's the keyword. I could have typed in anything, roofing Lehigh County, roofing, but you name it, and that's a keyword. So it's not just one word, it's actually any phrase in there is a keyword. So your number one competitor is this Middle Creek Roofing, and to be honest, their website does not look I don't like the design of it. However, they definitely meet the content, but let's see what the keywords they're being found for are. So another tool I use is ARFS, which you can get. It's $250 a month, but it is available to anyone. So looking at this, we can see that's yours. Let's go ahead. This is theirs, Middle Creek Roof, right here, and we just do exact URL, run the search, and we can see that they're being found for 20 keywords. So if we just look at their keywords here, they're getting found for roofers Lehigh Valley, roofing Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania, roofers Lehigh Valley roofers, and look at the search, 100, 150. That's how many people are searching these exact keywords every month. So you could be missing out on a lot of customers if you don't have those. And the way you miss out is by not being on the front page. So how do you get to the front page of Google? Well, I'm glad you asked. That's going to be based on this area right here, backlinks, links used referring domains. So this is your website, and you have 16 keywords, but you're currently not have any backlinks or offsite SEO. Now, what a backlink is it's a link from one website to another website, and when that happens, it transfers power. So if site A is linking to site B, then site B gets power from site A. The higher your power rating, the higher you are in Google. It's basically like a giant popularity contest in Google's eyes. They want to see you have the most related to your business websites pointing at you to show Google that you're the authority. Hopefully that makes sense. So in closing, we discussed three things. Like I said, this is just a brief overview, but we talked about content, having 1,500 words or more on the home page. We discussed keywords and how you want to have more keywords than your competitors so you can be found more easily than them. Thirdly, we discussed the SEO and how to get on the front page. And it's important to be on the front page. Click rates that Google released show that 80% of people don't go past the first page of Google when scrolling to find what they need help with. So you can see how important it is to make sure you're on the front page. Now, if you want to hear more and you want me to do a way more in-depth dive of showing you what your competition is doing and how you beat them, then just give me a call at 813-515-3488 and we can set up a meeting. Once again, my name's Craig and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.